Hello guys, I'm back in my repair shop. Today I'm still dismantling, or basically I'm finishing dismantling that HP laptop, HP 14. HP 14, just give me 1 second, I'll tell you the full name of it. So, look at that. HP Pavilion laptop, model 14 CE3 3506SA. So this plastic was in previous video announced that it's for sale, like rest of them, but wasn't clear view of its proper quality. I tried to record with the head bands, and it wasn't as much successful as I thought. It's not for that, so I need to buy some like a chest bands or something like. So I'm missing a little part here, which is still good piece after all. So I introduced last video this screen bezel. They are for sale on my eBay shop. So I'm still cleaning the screen leftovers from this bezel. So basically, but it will be clean before you get it, before you buy it. So if you're outside UK and you still need that part, so
today's video sponsor ITSec service.shop. Upgrade your tech game with your unlimited destination for cutting-edge electronics. For sleek gadgets to high-performance gear, we got everything you need to stay ahead in the digital world. Shop now and experience innovation like never before.
Locally here in UK only. So I just undo all screws from the battery. 5th screw left there because inside of the holder is broken, so it comes out with the holder. So I am selling this battery cheap just because I wasn't able to check this compatibility and performance. So but it's still for sale. It's like about £5 for selling them, because sometimes I have no time to test them. So basically this motherboard do work. I tested, screen was damaged but it still work. So I have video about it somewhere on my channel. So if you're okay to find it by this name, so you will find it there. So basically this keyboard is still like a brand new, have a seal on it. You can bend it over and glue it if you want to. So on this motherboard there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws to undo whole motherboard. So I'll try to set the camera. You can see what I'm doing. We still can chat a little bit about eBay under my channel and what I do. So basically I'm looking for a sponsor in UK, but I'm more than happy to express myself globally, like USA or Germany or any other country who is a sponsor me to open a repair shop. I do have my own team who's helped me repair laptops, computers, tower PCs and televisions, CCTVs. I have a crew who can look after your computer system. This cyber security wise, we are looking for sponsors who sponsor us to build smart homes as well. So that's for our future, like our company. So I'm done on the screw. So until I was chatting about with you, so taking plastic and undo all the connections. So one is undone, is connected. So one more and one more. So we're going to do all of them, gently pull them out, and this speaker connection will be pulled out easily when we get a chance to put our nail in. So it's not coming out easily, just be careful guys, otherwise you'll rip it off. The cable is so tiny and so thin. So basically there's fine, it's not coming out yet, but it's loose. So let's undo our power cable. Of course it's done a little bit, it's holding, it's just holding up there. So basically we put one nail in the connection, put nail in there, and then put plastic in other side, and then push gently, it comes out. So just like the rest of them would have it, comes out like that, easy and simple. I just forgot one thing, I need to grab which I'm selling with anti-static mat. So this is how it comes. Unfortunately it doesn't come with the memory. Memory is expensive, and I do not sell with the memory because I need to test the laptops myself, and I keep a memory to myself. Unless you want to pay extra, I'm gonna send it out with memory, but my preferences, I do not do that myself. So this is the most important piece. If I know it doesn't work, I will not put in the bag. So anyway, rest of them is it's a touchpad. We're taking a touchpad out as well.